G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. There's a couple of pieces of Koroite in there, and Boulder Opal, I'm not sure where the Boulder Opal's from, but the Koroite's from Koroite, of course. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. It's got nice red possible stone coming through here. It's hard to know whether it goes that way or whether it's on the top. Leave it up to you to be the judge of that. And then the other pieces are just the Koroite colour is just under the surface on this piece. The rest of it doesn't seem to have anything much in it. How far that goes, I'm not sure. This piece got a little bit of colour in the middle here, bit of red. Not sure if the camera's picking that up. A little bit of a red flash there. Whether that grinds down into more colour, but that's the way you need to do, is grind this off, so you end up with a capping of the opal. It's hard to know with that piece. Another little bit of red just on there. Nothing sort of super spectacular. This piece again, grind it down, you might get some colour under here, but there's no guarantee. I can't see anything much, but it's priced accordingly. Good to practice on. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.